Okay, so here we are on Autodraw, www.autodraw.com, and it does what it says on the tin basically. So if we look at the tools down here, we've obviously got move, select, draw, auto draw, and normal draw, text, infill, shapes, and of course colors, and zoom in and out, and all that malarkey, undo, and the bin, where you can throw your infernal creations away so no one will ever see them again. So we're going to take a colour first of all. Let's choose a bit of orange here. We'll go up to auto draw. Let me think now. What shall I draw? Let's keep it simple to start off with. Let's draw a table. So I'm just going to draw a tabletop like this. Not very good on my. It's because I'm using a mouse with a tablecloth, and you shouldn't really have a mouse on a tablecloth because it makes things very difficult. So there we go. That's the basic kind of thing. And look up here. I've got a whole bunch of things that it's thinking I might be trying to draw. Like it thinks I might be trying to draw a baseball cap. Right. That's how bad my drawing is. It thinks it's a baseball cap or a slice of pizza. But no, it's a table. Wow, look at that. There we go. So it's given me a table. And so, like, if you were, say, for instance, doing a logo for someone and they have, just for instance, a candle making business. So we could do something like, whoop, this table. I'm really going to have to get rid of this tablecloth where my mouse is, and then do this to make it look like a candle. And there we go, perfect. So then we can do some text and my groovy candles. And there we go. So there we have a logo all done in mere seconds, and then you could charge lots of money for that and get better at your game, and then eventually become a really great artist like I obviously am. So I hope you enjoyed that quick little video. Like and subscribe, and most of all, stay groovy